welcome to another session from Freshers World YouTube channel on jobs and careers. My name is Ipshita and today we would be discussing about effective use of job portals for freshers, a website where employers can post job offers and people looking for employment can post their skills. A job portal is a website which helps in the recruitment process by bringing together both the employer and the job seeking candidate. The candidate will have to create his profile by uploading his resume, which will be then viewed by an employer as and when there is a job opening. It is a simplified process of job hunting. Whenever any big IT organization wants to recruit freshers, they typically resort to campus recruitment and invariably go to the reputed or prestigious colleges or institutes. And sometimes, if they can't get their required numbers, they will also conduct what is known as off-campus recruitments, wherein freshers or any college or institute can participate in that recruitment drive and write the test. The off-campus drives are supported by the third-party vendors, commonly known as the job portals. Let's take an example, a well-known client of Freshers World, Adobe. Adobe Systems Incorporated is an American multinational computer software company. The company is headquartered in St. Jose, California, USA. Adobe has historically focused upon the creation of multimedia and creativity software products, with more recent foray towards rich internet application software development. Adobe had a requirement for associate technical consultant for Bangalore location. Adobe engaged freshersworld.com as an exclusive sourcing and assessment partner to help them with the candidates from top engineering premium colleges from the background of CS, IT, IS, ECE, EEE streams. 2016 pass out batch with 70% throughout academics. Starting from the job posting to candidates applying, selection and shortlisting was done by Freshers World. The number of openings was 16, but seeing the quality, they had offered 18 candidates. As a fresher, your chances of getting an interview call could be a little better than with someone with more experience. The job market for fresher is good, except when the economy is really bad. So do keep in mind that you would be needing to be seriously well prepared for any opportunity you get to interview. Do your homework by way of learning everything about the employer who invites you for an interview. Be honest with what you know and what you do not know. No interviewer expects perfect answers all the time. Keep refreshing your resume on a regular basis. Do not miss calls from the recruiters. They generally have a list of candidates to call and they hardly return the call to candidates who don't bother answering phone calls. Also apply through the career pages of employers. For getting the better opportunities, you must have a good profile and resume as well. Now coming to the objective. When a search is created, a number of CVs up to 100 are shown on a single web page, and the only details that carry are name, contact details, location, current company with designation, years of experience and objective. So can very well understand the importance of objective in creating a preference for your resume link to be clicked by employer. Preferred location. Never mention a preferred location. In current business scenarios, mobility is something which every employer demands. Expected salary. This is a killer section because it certainly kills you in some way or the other. Either you quote above the market standards or below the market standards. Either way, you will be at the one at a loss. Quoting above the norms will get your resume rejected, and below the norms will make you underpaid. So ideally, don't mention it. Simply put negotiable or as per market standards and discuss it when the right time comes. Freshers World is the #1 job portal dedicated to fresher hiring only. So register and apply for the free jobs available. Would like to hear your feedback on the videos that we upload. Also, you can write to us about the topics you would like us to discuss about. For more videos, please like and subscribe to Freshers World videos on jobs and careers. We'll be back with more videos on interesting topics. Thank you.